Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. To my existing subscribers, hi. My name is Jane, a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about skin prep, how I prep my skin before makeup, which is also known as the CTMP, the cleanse, the tone, the moisturize, and the prime method. So guys, if this sounds like something that you are interested in, let's get right into the video without wasting much time. One thing you need to understand is that before you do any skin prep for your skin, you would make sure that your hands are clean. So the first thing you have to do is to remove any dirt that is in your hands, because you don't want to clean your face and transfer the dirt in your hands back to your face. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you wash your hands properly, after which you will go with your micellar water. So I am using Dr. Rashel micellar water. I don't know if this camera can capture it. So I am using the Dr. Rashel micellar water. It's actually good for all skin type, even if your skin is sensitive. I would be using that with a cotton pad to cleanse my face. So even if you are coming out from the bathroom, I would still advise you clean your face, because it's necessary to remove all dirt before you start anything. So I am actually cleaning my face, and one funny thing is, you will be surprised the amount of dirt you can see. I just finished taking my bath. You will be surprised the amount of dirt that will still be coming out from your face after taking your bath. So you would not want to rub makeup on a dirty face. That is why you need to cleanse before anything, down to your neck region. So I don't know if you can see this, see the amount of dirt that came out. So that is why you need to cleanse, and after that you allow the face to dry up properly. It's not just after you cleanse you start rubbing your makeup, no. So after cleaning with the micellar water, you would allow it to dry up. Now we've done the first process, which is the cleansing. I'll be using my fan to speed up the process, because I want it to dry up quick, so I don't have to waste so much time in this video. So guys, I've allowed the face to dry up. The next thing I'll be using is my sweat block, because I notice I sweat sometimes. I sweat a lot, not all the time, but I always use a sweat block to be able to hold my makeup even when I am sweating. So I use the Zikel. I don't know if it's going to capture it, but I use the Zikel sweat block with a cotton pad. So this is what you do when using the sweat block. Not because it's a liquid you just apply it all over the face, no. There are some specific area you apply sweat block in, which are the areas you sweat most. For me, I sweat more on here, I need more of it. I sweat here. So always apply it on the specific area where you sweat more. This sweat block helps to hold your makeup firmly. After applying the sweat block, you would allow it to dry. So guys, after cleansing with the micellar water, I have applied my sweat block. The next step for me is to moisturize, and for that I'll be using this vitamin C serum from Dr. Rashel. I don't know if you can capture it, but I'll be using the vitamin C serum from Dr. Rachel. For this, I'll just apply in certain area. I like the smell of this particular product. I don't know. And I'll be spreading the entire vitamin C with my brush. Some people use their hands, but I don't like to use my hand. Make sure you rub it properly under your eyes. Rub it down your neck, back of your ear. Then you allow it to dry properly. Guys, please, whatever you are rubbing, allow one to dry before you proceed to the next one. Don't just apply it one after the other, back to back. No, if you rub anything, allow that one to dry off first before you move on to the next item you want to apply. Please guys, take note of that. And guys, I forgot something. Why I allow my vitamin C serum to dry up, I would apply my lip balm, because you can't moisturize your face without moisturizing your lip. So I would apply my lip balm. I would apply my lip balm to moisturize my lip. And sorry, I am using the Vaseline Lip Therapy. It's popular in the market or at any cosmetic store. So guys, my lip is moisturized, waiting for the makeup process. My vitamin C serum has dried up, my lip have moisturized it also. The next step for me is to apply my face primer. I use the Rimmel London Stay Matte. I don't know if it's going to capture it, but it's also very good. There are other primers in the market, but this is the specific one I use. If you have oily skin like me, this is the solution to your oily skin when doing your skin prep. So I would just apply in certain area, okay, and use my brush to spread it all over the face. Make sure, sorry guys, I have a mirror in front of me, so I'm actually using to look at my face. I know you've been wondering what I'm staring at. So make sure you spread it all over your face properly with the brush. You can also use your hands, but like I said, I don't like to use my hands to touch makeup products when I'm applying them on my face. Rub it properly under the eye, please. Some people that will say they don't like to rub too many products under the eye. Yes, you can do without putting under the eye, but I like all my products to be spread all over my face if I'm using any face primer or any form of oil. So it depends. It's not compulsory, it's individual. Some people don't put in certain areas. The forehead area. So this is just my personal method, not like this is a professional. I am not a makeup artist. I am not a makeup artist, so this cannot be a professional method, but yes, this is how I do my own prep, and this is it. So you would allow the primer to dry up properly before you proceed. So after rubbing your primer, the next step is, this is my setting spray. I'm using Kiss Beauty. I don't know if you can capture it, but I am using Kiss Beauty setting spray. So it's to use your setting spray to lock in all products. Is to use your setting spray to lock in all products. So guys, I know some of you would be wondering, why will I do all this process before I do my makeup when I can just rub my foundation, my pencil, and I am good to go? Yes guys, this process is mostly done if you want your makeup to be flawless, you want your makeup to last long. Maybe you are going for an event, you know that that event is going to take the whole day, or that event is going to be all through the night. So this process is to make your makeup to last long and to give you that flawless look I don't know if you get it. So it's not something of why can't I just rub my foundation and that is it. So guys, if you would like to see how I do my personal makeup, how I'm not a makeup artist like I said, but if you would love to see how I do my personal makeup, just leave a comment in the comment section below and I will do a video tutorial on how I do my personal makeup. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, to your family members, so that they will learn how to do their skin prep before makeup. Don't forget to comment below and like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Until my next video, stay beautiful. Bye.